So guys, this has been circulating on socials and somebody sent it to me. A couple of guys sent it to me and then they said, hey, did you see this? So I gave it time to, with the thinking that whoever did this video would review it and maybe act on it, or at least remove my picture on this video, because wow, this is copyright infringement. I mean, this is malicious defamation. But what do you call this? Like, I can't have somebody using my image like that and also giving false information about me. I don't entertain much, especially what's that about me on social media. But this is yeah. So I've decided I'm going to take action against this person, against this Truths and Trends. I don't know whose account is that. You have 15 days to remove my image, or further actions will be taken against you, my brother or sister. Thank you.
Kunomunye brother ushone 2022, but manje indaba yakhe ilethwa kimi khona manje. Brother lo bengihlala naye, angeke ngimention igama lakhe ngoba akasaphini. Bengihlala naye, ngihlala ngapha yena ohlala ngasemva ngapha eJardini ye1. So ke bengihlezi ngi1 na ahlezi ayi1 ngase roomini yakhe. Yabo, then ivoice yathi mbize. Ngambiza ngithi hey boss. That was during the week. Mangimtshela ukuthi uJesu uthi asindiswe.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. So this TikToker, who is also a member of the Zion Christian Church, did this video on TikTok, of course addressing a YouTube channel which is called Truth and Trends, for a story that they did, and they used as a thumbnail, you guys, and they did a video titled that ZCC member dies after rejecting Brother Enigma's message, and in the thumbnail they had put this man and written RIP on the thumbnail. Now this man says that Truth and Trends, you need to stop lying, as I am very much alive, and why did you have to put me on that picture, because I am very much alive and you are definitely ruining my image, and I intend on suing you for defamation of character if you do not remove that picture, because you are feeding people misinformation. I am still very much alive. He says, I have tried to reach this channel on multiple occasions to have them remove that picture of me in the thumbnail and titled that I am dead after I rejected Brother Enigma's advices, and basically people in the comment section were coming for that channel and also Brother Enigma, you guys. And what do you think? Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section down below, and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will see you in the next one.